Hi, today we're talking about DevOps Cloud Cost Optimization Tracker. So this is a simple tracker which will help you keep track of DevOps cloud cost expenses. So as you can see, we have got a database at the bottom which lists all the expenses for the DevOps expenses that you can see over here. We have the entry ID, the provider, the service, the environment, the daily cost, the date, the cost spike if there is a spike in the cost, the team responsible for this, the auto shutdown enabled as well. Okay. Next to the database, we have a summary section at the top which shows the expenses as per the different environments. The cost spike, if there has been any spike, you can see the expenses, the daily spend. So under the daily spend, we can see the expenses put in a calendar mode. So you can see the entire calendar for the particular month that you are in, and along with that, you can see the expenses for each of the dates. And if you go to the cost spike section, this only show the expenses where there is a spike in the cost, and you can see if there is a spike in the cost and the expenses are reflected over here. As per the different environments, you can see if it is under dev or under the production, you can see all the expenses being listed over here under the daily cost. So this is a simple tracker which will help keep track of all the dev of expenses for your use case. You can obviously customize this template and make changes to the template as per your requirement, but all in all, you can utilize this template as well to keep track of the expenses as I just demonstrated. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate documents in bulk utilizing a Notion database as the source. So if you check out PDF Output, this works under two modes. That is, you can click on this Create PDF. We have single mode and multiple mode. So under single PDF, you can generate single PDF documents one by utilizing a Notion page. You can watch the video at the bottom. And under multiple PDF, you can generate the documents in bulk utilizing a Notion database. So you have both options available over here, and you can accordingly choose your option as per your requirement. So if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me by using this contact section at the bottom. Click on this contact and you can send me a message with whatever queries you might be having. Or else you can reach out to me at notionformyuse at gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you or assist you with any queries which you might be having. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.